Virtual Facility 2.0 is a unique product that represents the production of solid dosage forms in virtual reality. The students' actions are divided into scenarios. Each one of these are most realistically reflect the processing of the pharmaceutical inspection of medicine production for compliance with GMP requirements. The scope of the virtual factory includes the territory bordering factory, warehouse, laboratory, production premises. The effect of full immersion in virtual reality is achieved through detailing and accompanying inspection of production activities and processes. This product can be used as an educational tool. The program allows not only to train inspectors from the get-go, but also can be a good simulator for maintaining a high level of competence of the company's employees and the functioning of the pharmaceutical quality system. The product is ready for implementation in academic universities for personnel training. Virtual Facility 2.0 can contribute to the formation of a high professional level of specialists even in the student environment before the start of practices. Now Virtual Facility 2.0 is a factory on the production of solid dosage forms. In the future, the creation of a virtual aseptic manufacturing, production of reference standards, a biotechnical plant, and an R&D complex